Welcome back. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has slammed previous government on the new Ponda market project. Parrikar said project can be made useful only after reverse engineering. He said with adaptive reuse, the complex can be put to use. Chairperson of Ponda, Radhika Naik, had claimed the project as white elephant and demanded inquiry into the project.
Okay. Now, a good architect can
reverse engineering.
Reverse engineering, correct. Reverse engineering करून उपाय use change थोडो use मातसो modify करतो पडटलो. व्हडले खूब major हे करून येता ना. Changes करून करपाक येतले.
This new market project of Ponda is amidst controversy. There are over 550 vendors and it is not known how they will be accommodated in the new market complex. Vendors are apprehensive about their business, hence reluctant to shift to the new market. City Chairperson Radhika Naik, along with some councillors, recently visited the new market complex for an inspection. She had demanded an inquiry into the project, but Parrikar said,
कितले म्हणून इन्क्वायरी करीत रावू रे सगळ्या गोंयभर अशीच परिस्थिती आहा साऊथ गोवा कलेक्टरेट कोण ट्रिपर म्हाका श्मशानान शिगमो घालतलो हांवें बांदना तें पयशे फक्त हांवें फारीक केला पण लफडें सगळें तांच्यांनी केलें तशी ही केस आहा
सो एक्सपर्ट्स आसतले ते आतां बरो यूज करून घेवपाचो मार्केटांनी एक्सपर्ट्स आसतले ते बरो यूज करून घेवपाचो
आसा तातूंत भितर एडॅप्टीव रियूज करप करेक्ट शब्द सांगपाक जाल्यार एडॅप्टीव रियूज म्हणजे मॉडिफाय करून वापरून घेवप ते थोडेशे चेंजीस करच्यो पडटल्यो.
Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
The executive level manager of a star hotel from Kandoli Shinkeri arrested for sexually assaulting a girl will be produced before the court for remand. He allegedly tried to outrage modesty of a training girl at front office of the star hotel.
Saturday at around 1:30 एका स्टार हॉटेलाची एम्प्लॉई आमचे पुलीस स्टेशनार येवन ताणें कंप्लेंट फायल केली की रातचे ड्युटी जावन वता आसतना ताका एका मॅनेजरान लिफ्ट दिली घरा पावयता म्हणून ताका आनी एकटे लेडी एम्प्लॉई मागीर एका सुपरमार्केटान वचून ताणें ड्रिंक्स घेतले चलयेन सांगलें की आपूण ताका की आपूण आल्कोहॉल पिना ताणें ताका एक ब्रिजर दिली आनी सांगतना सांगलें की ब्रिजर ही नॉन आल्कोहॉलीक जस्ट लायक अ सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक आनी ताका मिसगायड केलें आनी ताका 2 ब्रिजर पितकच ते मातशें आपले सबकॉन्शियस स्टेटान गेले मातशें अनकॉन्शियस जावपाक लागले मागीर ताणें ताका आपल्या गाडयेन बसयलें घरा सोडटा म्हणून मागीर घरा न व्हरता एज पर कंप्लेनंट की ताणें ताका खंयच्या तरी एका आयसोलेटेड प्लेसीर व्हरून ताजेर रेप करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो मागीर ताका जेन्ना तेजे कॉन्शियस जातकच ताणें ताका सांगलें की आपूण कंप्लेंट करता हें आयकतकच ताणें बेगीन कपडे घातले आनीक हाडून ताका रुमार सोडलें सो सॅटर्डेच आफ्टरनून अरावंड 4:30 सुमार आमी त्या एक्युजाक अरेस्ट केलो ताची जी गाडी ताणें क्रायमाक यूज केल्ली ती गाडी पूण अटॅच केली आनी काल कोर्टान प्रोड्यूस करून ताका 2 दिसाचो रिमांड दिल्लो आसा फाल्यां परतो ताका रिमांडाक प्रोड्यूस करतले.
With just 4 months to go for Lusofonia Games, it is a race against time for the government on all fronts. Chief Executive Officer for Lusofonia Games, Keshav Chandra, claims that they are happy with the progress. Planning Commission's grant of 75 crore rupees has also boosted the zeal of the organizers.
It is a day-to-day task for Sports Secretary Keshav Chandra and his team to review the progress, which he claims is satisfactory.
Well, to tell you, see, on a day-to-day basis, there are ups and downs. At times, one day we are very, very happy, other day we are not that happy. So it's not that we are reviewing it on a monthly basis or quarterly basis. We are reviewing it on a daily basis, that how the infrastructure is progressing, not only infrastructure, but there are 14 aspects of the game which are being monitored on virtually on a daily basis. So at this juncture, we are quite confident that we'll be able to finish all infrastructure in time, and we'll also be able to do whatever is necessary in respect of all 14 areas.
Planning Commission sanctioned the much needed finance to carry out the work despite some constraints, says Chandra.
The Planning Commission, I'm very happy and fortunate that in this difficult financial year, this is a difficult year for the central government also, given the current account deficit and the target for them to keep it under check, we have been able to get 75 crores of rupees for the games, and which is a very, very heartening thing.
Lusofonia Games governing body, ACOLOP, is being updated with reports ahead of their meeting.
Yes, they are keeping a tab. I am receiving the mail. We are also replying to the mail. We are going to have a meeting very soon with the ACOLOP, and then there is the chef de mission meeting which will take place, and after the meeting everything would be decided about the conduct of the games.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Porvorim.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.